Welcome to Driven Stories. I'm Gino Macapagal, and I drive a 2023 Subaru BRZ. I got into cars, tingin ko, because of yung mga matchboxes and yung mga car models, no, na binibuild, yung mga Tamiya. I like that. Pero I think one inspiration maybe was from my dad. He used to drive a Ford Escort Brenda. Two-door din yun. Pero it's not a Cosworth. So I think yung 4-cylinder lang yun. But to me, nung bata ako, pagka, alam mo yung mga 70s na cars, pag amoy langis, amoy yung engine, narinig mo yung engine, naamoy mo yung engine. So yung rawness nung kotse na yun. Maybe that's what inspired me or motivated me to get into cars din. My first car that I bought with my own money is the Honda Civic FD 2007. But yung hand-me-down from my dad was a Corona 1990 2-liter. Malaki na rin yun, mabilis yun for a college student. But ayun, na total wreck ko eh. Na total wreck. Pero natuto na ako doon. So, yeah. Driving, I do enjoy some spirited driving pagka maluwag yung kalye. And then pagka I try to be relaxed lang naman in just cruising. Kasi maganda rin naman yung na-appreciate ng mga tao. Pag masyado kang mabilis, hindi nakikita ng mga tao yung kotse. So you just cruise. So makikita mo, minsan may sumasabay, minsan may nakatutok, gusto mo may pagkarera, pero relax lang din. We do our racing in the track. Initially, gusto ko talaga ng GR86. I went to Toyota, and then palaging mahaba yung pila or wala silang stock. So, okay. So, sige, subukan natin, pila tayo. Pero sobrang tagal, gusto ko na talagang bumili. So, I tried Subaru. Nag-inquire ako sa sales ng Subaru, do you have available na unit? Sabi niya, yes sir, all colors. Sabi ko, wow, okay. So, doon tayo sa World Rally Blue. Kung Subaru, I really wanted the World Rally Blue. Okay, so the first mod that I did was I got the BBS RI-A 001 and 002. So if you can see sa video, staggered siya. No, in front is 8.5, at the back is 9.5. No, because I was going for the STI Rally STI look. No, the World Rally Blue with the gold mag wheels, and then since it's a performance car, the wheels are wrapped in Advanova AD09s. Front is 235, at the back is 255 and 18, 3540.
Bago exhaust mo, diba?
Yeah, but after nung mag wheels and tires, nagpa-coil overs ako, ST XTA. So camber alignment in front, and then compression adjustment and all for coilovers. Gusto ko lang siyang i-lowered pa, but ang naging challenge lang talaga compared to the stock, medyo naging matagtag talaga nung nag-coil overs ako. But ang kapalit naman kasi nun is the performance. No? So mas confident ka when you're going into corners. And then of course the look, you want a lowered car. And then after that is the pinaka-latest mod is the HKS Spec L JDM version. Ano na siya? Cutback. So, okay na. Meron ng rumble, may konti ng growl. So, hindi tayo natatapos eh. Pagkatapos nito, kailangan merong next. So, next project would be an equal length na headers. Since it's Subaru, I want that. What do you call this? Subaru rumble. So, sabi nila, and sabi ng mga YouTube videos, you have to have the UEL headers. So, yun yung next natin. I'd like to say thank you to Florit for accommodating my request to do a video about my car.
Social media accounts.
Okay, you can follow me in Instagram. It's GMacZed, GMACZED, Z because it's BRZ. Parang sa Canada or Europe, parang Z sila. So, yun lang naisip ko. That's on Instagram, and I'm also on YouTube. It's Driven Stories. So that's where I share my activities with my car. Thank you for watching. I'm Gino Macapagal, and this is Driven Stories.